In this video, I'll show you how to watch the Arafta series using a VPN, even if you live outside Turkey. If you try to watch the Arafta series from outside Turkey, you'll notice that some episodes or seasons don't appear, or the streaming platform blocks playback completely. This is because the Arafta series is region restricted, and streaming sites detect your location using your IP address. Even with a valid account, you won't be able to access the full series from outside Turkey. The easiest and completely legal way to watch the Arafta series from anywhere is by using a VPN. A VPN lets you appear as if you're browsing from another country, so the platform thinks you're in Turkey. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN, because it's fast, reliable, and works well with streaming platforms. You can use it on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and even smart TVs. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description. Now, let me walk you through how to do this on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer. Install it, and then open the app. Log into your NordVPN account. Once logged in, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Scroll and select Turkey, then click to connect. Wait until NordVPN shows that you're fully connected to a Turkish server. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go directly to the streaming platform where the Arafta series is officially available. If the site was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser to make sure the new location is applied. Now you should be able to access all episodes and seasons of the Arafta series. Click on any episode to start streaming. If a video doesn't load or you see an error, go back to NordVPN, disconnect and reconnect to a different server in Turkey. Then refresh the page and try again. This usually fixes the issue immediately. Keep NordVPN connected while watching for the best experience. NordVPN offers high-speed servers optimized for streaming, so you can watch the Arafta series in HD without buffering, depending on your internet connection. NordVPN also keeps your connection secure. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like threat protection and a kill switch to block trackers, ads, and unsafe websites while streaming. So, to sum it up, if the Arafta series isn't available in your country, using a VPN is the simplest and safest solution. Connect to Turkey with NordVPN, open the streaming platform, and enjoy every episode from start to finish. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching the entire Arafta series from anywhere today.